Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a widget in Zoho CRM. Widgets let you integrate external apps or add custom features. So let's get started and follow these steps together. For the first step is to access the widget section. Now before you do that, you have to log into your Zoho CRM account, and to do so, just open a new tab in your browser and look for Zoho CRM website right here. Click on it, and after the searches appear, click on the Zoho CRM website, and after it appears, enter your account credentials and log in. You can also log in by your Google account. Now, once in your Zoho CRM dashboard, go to Settings. It's right here next to the gear icon, and go to Customization right here. This is Customization section, and click on Widgets. Let's see where you can find widgets. We can just look for it. I can see it right here. Normally it should be right here. So we'll find it here. Now the second step is to create a new widget. Click on create a new widget right here on the green button right here. After that, give your widget a name. Select the model it will apply to. Type, you can write a description for the widget. You can select a type, whether it's web, a tab, related lists, button, settings, etc. Let's select a button. You can select which one is hosting, Zoho or external. Let's select Zoho and upload a file. The widget file usually is an HTML file or a CSS file or a JavaScript file. After that, after uploading the file, enter the index page and click on save to keep your modifications. The third step is to test and deploy the widgets. Test the widgets in the sandbox environments. Once satisfied, deploy it to the live environments. And there you go. Your widgets is now active in Zoho CRM. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.